How to delete Google account permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Google account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the web browser on your phone. And here, make sure that you're signed in with the Google account that you want to delete. And here, once inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on Manage your Google account, and once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to account.google.com. So here, alternatively, you can type myaccount.google.com directly in the address bar, but before deleting, it's smart to save anything important. So here, once you see the interface like this, just tap on Data and Privacy tab. And now here under the data and privacy tab, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as download your data. So simply tap on it, and from here you can select everything to pick specific data that you want to keep. And here, once you're done saving all your data, you can simply go back, and here in the data and privacy section, and from here, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as delete your Google account. So just tap on it, and after that, you'll be asked to re-enter the password for security or verify yourself. So I'm going to simply do that. And here, once you're done with that, on the new page, you simply have to scroll down to the bottom and tap on both box to check it. And after that, just tap on delete account. And after that, you have successfully deleted Google account permanently. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.